Hi guys, it is 10:16 or 10:18 on my phone. I need some Red Bull, some cigarettes, and we'll be on for like probably 1.5 hours. We'll get that 400. 1.5 hours, we'll get that 400. Let's get it, fam. All right. Another multi-apping right along. I'm currently on a $8 for 3 miles with Ubereats. And look at all that. See if we can get a Doordash while we're on with Ubereats. All right, this order is going northeast, so I'm gonna dash along the way. I'm gonna dash along the way with that zone. All right, let's do it. I dash along the way while dropping off on Ubereats. Everything check. Let's get it. Boom. Let's go, fam. All right, so I'm driving towards the Doordash zone, and I'm currently logged on with Ubereats and Grubhub. Yeah. So we're triple apping right now. Driving towards the Doordash zone. All right, Starbucks, $8 for 3 miles, 8 for 3. Let's get it. With Ubereats, of course. Belly rub. Belly rub. Holly, I'll be back later, okay? I'll be back soon. I have to go do Doordash. Wanna go do Doordash with Daddy?
That's how we ball out. That's how we ball out.
Empower Field a mile high, fam. Are you ready for some football? Nah, I'm 6 months early. Sweet Cow in West Highlands. Let's get it. Let's go, fam. Let's go make this 400. And if it's busy, we'll go for 500.
Turn right towards South Sheridan Boulevard.
This one is literally 2 blocks from my house. But on a normal day, I would shut down. I would close it down. Not today. Going for that $400 challenge.
Turn right towards South Sheridan Boulevard. Then turn right.
I think with $30 short. Yeah. On a regular day, I would shut it down. But yeah, I'm trying to go for that $400 challenge. Let's get it, fam. Just in case I wasn't sounding clear. Yeah, I said earlier, on a normal day, this is a perfect last delivery. Literally 2 blocks from my house, but we're going for that $400 challenge. It is 10 p.m. We've been on since 6 a.m. Took a little lunch breaks in between. I've eaten 3 times today: breakfast, lunch, dinner. I have to eat one more time. Finish it up with a Doordash $1 tipper. All right, fam, let's go get this money. Let's get it. All right, guys, it is 10:16 or 10:18 on my phone. I need some Red Bull, some cigarettes, and we'll be on for like probably 1.5 hours. We'll get that 400. 1.5 hours, we'll get that 400. Let's get it, fam. All right, after a 5-minute hold up at the gas station, the guy was busy making some pizza for some Doordash order, I guess, or Ubereats, I don't know. But finally got a good order tonight with Ubereats. It's $2 per mile or so at McDonald's. This McDonald's pretty quick. By the time I get there, I'm guessing 2 cars ahead of me. 2 cars. A lot of you guys are hating on McDonald's. In Denver, it's hit or miss with fast food. McDonald's, Wendy's, I'll talk about hit or miss. All right, let's go pick up this Mickey D's, and we'll a few orders away from 400, fam. A few orders away from 400. Let's get it. Well, not quite 3 cars. There's 3 cars here and 2 cars ahead of me, so we have 5 cars. 5 cars. We can work with that. Not too shabby. 5-car drive-through at 10:28 p.m. Let's get it.
Today I got to eat a Big Mac from a Doordash
Alright guys, thanks for watching all the way to the end. So as you have seen, so I made a total of $414 with 14 hours working. I know I was working from 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. So that's a total of 16 hours on the road. But I was able to visit Holly for like 20 minutes. Got some breakfast burrito. I drove to my W2 pizza place. And had a couple lunch breaks in between at the pizza place. By law we have to be able to eat every 6 hours if we work at a restaurant or any factory at a W2 place. And what else? Yeah, man, at the pizza place it was 10 hours for 295. So at the pizza place I averaged $29 per hour. And only drove like 40 miles at the pizza place, and that's $295 gross. That's not $295 net. So $295 minus tax at the pizza place. But with gig, we made another $100 something. So 414 minus 295. See how much that is, huh? All right. So with gig apps, just a rough estimate, I guess. We worked 4 hours and made 119 with the gig apps. We had some Grubhub, some Doordash. I can't show you the Doordash screenshots. Some Ubereats. I did log on with Instacart and Shipped. I saw a few offers with Instacart. They're all trash. And that's what it's like to multi-app and work at a W2. I know most of the day is spent at the W2, but yeah. Nowadays you got to be diversified. Main reason I'm working at the W2 is for the healthcare and the benefits. It costs $60,000 to give birth. So Ubereats or DoorDash cannot pay me, doesn't give me free healthcare. But besides the good benefits, I do make good money there. Not every day I average $29 per hour. On a slow day, I might average like $23 per hour at the pizza place. I mean, it's probably below what I'm making with food delivery apps, but I guess it's more consistent. Even if I'm taking 0 deliveries in 5 hours, at least I still make $15 an hour, right? At the pizza place. But gig apps have been slowing down just a little bit, but it's yesterday there was an Avalanche game at 7 p.m. local time, and it was snowing a little bit in some parts of Denver Metro. So once again, just a recap, $295 at the pizza place and $119 with DoorDash, Ubereats, and Grubhub. Shout out to Sarah Elizabeth. All right, fam. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash the like, subscribe, ring the bell. See you guys on the next video on how to side hustle and how to multi-app and so on and so on. More tips and tricks. More entertaining YouTube shorts, TikTok, Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels. Thank you everybody for watching. And if you guys love dogs, please check out Jolly Holly's channel. Jolly Holly. And for my Vietnamese speaker, please check out my Vietnamese channel. I haven't posted on there for like a year already, but when I have more time, I'll upload some Vietnamese content. And I slept 12 hours yesterday. My voice is still very raspy when I first wake up. And with that out of the way, thank you everybody for watching. See you guys on the next one. Peace. All right, fam. I just crunched the number. So 414 divided by 14 is 27.60 per hour. The whole day, I average 27.60. At the pizza place, I average 29.50. And with gig apps, a little bit lower. But we were working for 14 hours and we made 414. Only drove 100 miles total. So dollar to mile ratio is banging. Per hour is not too bad. And it is a Wednesday, but there was an Avalanche game and it was snowing. So the money was good. I bet there was a lot of peak pay during the dinner rush and Ubereats boost or whatever. Yeah, I didn't know if I told you guys the whole per hour and mile thing. So once again, thank you everybody for watching. See you guys on the next one, fam.